get started. I'm gonna take a little bit of the filling. See how much I'm doing first, and then do it yourself. So this is literally how much filling I'm putting into the bottom corner. It was probably like, there you go. It's probably like that much. Okay. So not that much filling. So I'm going to like squeeze it out so it's like a little cigar. A little log dude. Cool. I'm gonna take the bottom corner. I'm gonna fold it all the way there. Now I'm gonna pull this back a little bit, and I'm gonna like squeeze that lumpia log from the outside of the wrapper. Pull it back down. Hop one time. What is that song?
Lift back and stop.
Boom. I hate that song. I hate it. Okay. That's funny. Okay, so I've squeezed it. So now it's like a little log, like a little indentation. It's like so tight. So now we're gonna keep that momentum of like a tight roll, and we're gonna now gently, because it's gonna rip. If it's gonna rip, it's fine. Like the next roll will save it. Like in life, it's fine. Everything's fine. Once you get to the corners, you're gonna roll one more. So it's gonna be like this, okay? So at this point, your filling should be like around here. And at this point, your corner should be around here. So you're gonna take one side, and you're gonna point it to the bottom, like that. I'm not pointing it actually straight down. I'm pointing it a little bit inwards. So it looks like that. Cool. So at this point, you're gonna wanna fold that over. So it looks like that. And you're just gonna, this is when it's gonna get all finished, and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, it's a disaster, or no, I did it. You're gonna put a little bit, get your finger, so this is your water, put a little water in your finger and put it in the corner, right here. Some people use like egg wash, water sign. So here, just put a little dab of water. Now, again, as tight as you can, roll it. So roll it all up, roll it. Boom, that's your lumpia. Oh, my cousins are coughing. It should look like this. Does it look like this, everyone? Kind of like this? Cool. Your first one is never going to be like your best one. You're gonna get the hang of it. It's like a pancake. But if it is your best one, then why am I teaching you?